time next year, I will meet the man who saved my life.
Before you tell us how you're going to do that, let's just hear from your family about why your life needed to be saved.
What attracted me to Shawn was he was so funny. He made me laugh all the time. I already had my son, Kian. He was 2 at the time. And he just loved him. He treated him like his own right from the beginning.
As a family, they had Kian and they had 2 girls of their own. Everything was perfect until he was ill.
One night, we were in the living room and Shawn just collapsed.
They told him that it was cancer, that he had cancer.
The amazing thing was Shawn responded well to the treatment and he then went into remission. Even when he went into remission, we were still frightened because we know that any time it could just keep coming back. So the doctors then told us that the only way to save his life would be a bone marrow transplant. The clock was ticking. They searched the whole of the UK and there was no one that matched. Then they searched the United States of America and amazingly, they just found this person who was the exact match.
He had the transplant and he came home and he was free of the cancer. He asked Lisa to marry him and they got married in the church that he would have been buried.
I can't put into words how grateful I am to this stranger that you've given us our life back.
Does that just bring it all back, what you were going through?
Yeah, it's really hard to look at.
Yeah, terrible.
2 days after that, I got tested, and then I was devastating news that I had 2 months to live and plan my funeral.
To plan your funeral?
Yeah.
What was that like?
Heartbreaking. Looking at my children growing up, and if it wasn't for that guy, I wouldn't see none of it.
So what are the chances of finding a match?
In your bone marrow, you've got like, I think you've got about 30 or 40 cells, and everyone was identical to mine, to his. They were exactly the same.
Is that really rare?
Really rare, basically, like winning the lottery. And
what would you say to this man? Do you know anything about him?
Yeah, so when I signed the form, I am not allowed, it's a law, you're not allowed to contact your donor for 2 years.
Right.
So it's past the 2 years now. So I want to meet him. I just want to go up to him and give him a touch and just say thank you so much for everything you've done for me.
How are you going to meet him? How are you going to make that happen?
So my close friends have started up a GoFundMe page.
Great.
People have started donating to that now to fly me over to America to meet him.
I can't wait to hear how you've done.
Yeah.
Shawn, by this time next year, you will have thanked the man that saved your life.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So, has Shawn managed to trace the person that saved his life? It's time to find out. So, Shawn, is this the man that saved your life?
Yeah, so this is Grant. This is the amazing man who saved my life, yeah.
Yes! It's really nice to have you here. Have you enjoyed coming over to the UK?
I have. This is my first time in the UK.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, welcome.
Thank you.
Let's start at the beginning.
Yeah.
Shawn, how are you?
A bit emotional and
Are you?
overwhelmed, yeah. Like, I can't believe I'm actually here and I've done it.
Let's have a look at how you two came together.
Yeah. Oh, my God, I just received a phone call from the Welsh Blood Service to say that my donor from America has sent me his email address, his home address and his telephone number. The plan is now, obviously, I want to go over and meet him and thank him personally. Out of the blue, 4 businesses see my GoFundMe page and they've just all donated money towards it. It's actually happening. I can't believe that I'm actually, with my family, going to go to America and meet Grant. Are you all excited? Yeah, it won't be long, we'll be seeing Grant. Yeah.
So excited.
Like, I've got so much stuff like I want to say to him. How can I say a million things in one word? Just, you can't explain it, you know. I just can't believe it.
It doesn't seem real, does it?
No. Yeah, this is it, look. Right, ready? Should we all go meet Grant? Yeah, you ready?
Okay.
Come on then, let's go.
Grant has given him his life. He's given the kids a father, me a husband. Oh, God. Start now. It was just... you've given everything to me.
I can't believe it's actually happening now. That's his house, look. Oh, the door's opening. Oh, you can't drive one.
How you doing, buddy?
Okay. Oh, thank you so much. Oh. I've been waiting 4 years for this moment. Thank you so much. I've been waiting about. Oh, come over here. Come quick. Wow.
I'm going to.
Somebody can get in there. That moment, I walked down Grant's drive and I seen him. I walked up to him, gave him a hug. It was a feeling I'll never, ever forget. I wake up every morning to see my family. It's all because of you. Honestly, I made you don't need to know. Oh, God, thank you. Thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart, thank you.
For coming.
Oh, you're welcome.
You guys want to go inside?
Oh, yes, please. Come on, can you have a beer?
I didn't realize how grateful their whole family was until I seen their faces. It's a magical moment, and I have a hard time expressing my words. What are the chances of actually finding a match?
It was 1 to 20 million.
Holy
for a match. 1 to 20 million.
Wow.
If it weren't for you, we wouldn't be here. We wouldn't see it.
No.
Daddy every day, and it's just unbelievable. It's not a word how good it is. Like.
I just gave you an oil change. That's essentially all I did. It was the doctors and everybody else that made this miracle happen. Oh. I think that most people, if they were presented the opportunity to possibly save a life, I think they would.
Yeah. To actually be here now in America and see Grant and thank him, it's just been a miracle and a dream come true.
Thank you so much for coming here and finding me. I am so thrilled to have a new family. Cheers.
Cheers, mate. Thank you so much.
That was quite something for you to watch back, wasn't it?
Just unreal, like.
I mean, when you met him, what was that like for you?
It was amazing. It was emotional. I was pretty much speechless.
What an amazing day that must have been for all of you. But Lisa, how was it for you?
It was so emotional, but he's so perfect. You know,
Isn't
it's
that
like
lovely?
Yeah, it's like we've known him our whole life.
Mm. And I think actually this story is an amazing highlight on how important it is to get so many people to sign up.
I think that was one big thing for us, to get people to come forward and become a donor, because like none of us know what's around the corner, so this is so important. That would be amazing for everyone.
You guys going to stay in touch?
Oh, definitely. Yeah, we call each other now brothers, and
well, I was one of the little brother.
Yeah, yeah.
It's an amazing story of bravery and courage.
Oh, thank you.
Well, no, thank both of you. I thank both of you. It's been really, really lovely to hear your story.
Oh, thank you.
Shawn and the man who saved his life, Grant.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look round our website at hairforall.com.